Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2016 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, steel wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.